So now that I've gotten settled in my spectacular suite with BCA Furnished Apartments, let's dig a little bit deeper and see what they have to offer. You have, again, the giant stainless steel refrigerator, more than enough space. Everything is fully stocked, so anything that you have in your kitchen back home, pots, pans, cups, plates, it's all here, ready to go. And you're gonna have cleaning supplies. You don't actually have to go to the store, buy it yourself. That's gonna be here, provided for you. Already feeling like you're at home. Do I need to mention your skin clean wrap? You know, they really care about you. They're really thinking about you here. Your coffee, you're gonna have your filters. When you're gonna need that in the morning, you're gonna be ready to go. They use a Nest air conditioning unit, so it's gonna be a little bit greener. They care about the environment here. You care about the environment. We're all happy. Moving over into the living room, let's talk about the 50-inch smart TV. I mean, this is perfect. Beautiful, modern, and better than my living room back home. And the best amenity of all, we have the pool. They do weekly events here that you can participate in. It's all included with your stay. So now we're into the common areas spectacular suites, and you can see the conference room right behind me. I'm really digging the wallpaper, the canvas, it's really nice. And opening up more into the common area, amazing natural light. Florida is so really spacious. This is a great place to host people. Really kind of funky. I like the architecture and the lights. Yeah, go over and check this out. And these cork chairs in this beautiful bar. Come down here, have a drink, relax with friends, and again, if you're feeling like you want to go visit the pool, here's one step away. So we're in the outdoor lounge area of Spectacular Suites. I'm really digging the colorful, funky furniture. You have your couch over here. You have the TV so you can watch this game or a different event. It's perfect for hosting people. And if you're gonna be hosting people, you're probably gonna be hungry and you wanna grill out. You got the grill right here. You can set up a bar. It's a really great vibe here. And so after you're grilling out all day, you're gonna wanna cool off in the resort style, saltwater pool, perfect temperature. And you got these chairs over here, you got your beanbag chairs, you got your hammocks, you're gonna be able to relax, feel at home, enjoy the great vibe, and I already am. I'm gonna actually take a dip in the pool in a minute. So welcome to the fitness center at Spectacular Suites. So I don't know if working out is as important to you as it is for me, but this is an incredible space. You have your yoga and stretching area right here. If you're into more functional training, high intensity, you have pull-up bars, TRX, kettlebells. So if you want to do more interval style training, easy. Weightlifting, you got your bench right here, you have your squat rack, and for those that are more into cardio, you have treadmills, elliptical, bike, you're ready to go. So for a workout place, this is pretty good.